right. We're either crazy or not.
Or stupid.
Or stupid.
Or both.
Or
probably all of the above.
Yeah. But we are going, right now we are on our way to...
It is 6:30 in the morning.
To Disneyland.
The park opens at 8. And according to the internet, there are already people lined up for Guardians of the Galaxy.
So that's what we're going to go do. That's our whole main goal.
We may end up standing in line for it all day.
No, I told myself we're not going to do that. We will obtain a fast pass. And we will try to get on it right away. If it's more than 2 hours, I mean, what would you wait for that ride? All day?
All day.
Oh, wow. Matthew's like diehard over there.
I haven't done this in a long time.
When was the last time you did this?
Stood in line all day for a ride?
Yeah. I can't say Cars Land because we got a fast pass and then went on and then got right in line.
That's true.
I mean, this is the way we do it.
That's the way we do it.
That's the way we do it. So that way we can try to ride it at least twice in one day. But I'm not waiting all day. I mean, have you seen the lines to get into Pandora today? They're nuts. No offense. Maybe we'll go in a year. I don't know if we're gonna get back. We want to do some other traveling. Are you making fun of me again over there, Mr. Matthew?
Can I make fun of you twice?
Sure. Sure.
That you're rambling and your quirkiness.
You
Mr.
love
Schultz.
Me. He doesn't like when I do that. I'm trying to break the habit.
But of course.
But it's hard.
Things that annoys me, she loves doing. So.
Yeah, sorry about that. Go away for a few weeks and look at all this wonderful construction that's going on. And then we have a not so bad line to get to the park. Oh, Star-Lord.
Somebody wants to
I can't believe it's finally opening. I just can't believe how this is like crazy.
When I kept updating, you, I'll probably be here, I'll probably be here, and I was like, nah, shit, I'm all the way over here.
Welcome, Terrence. Please step all the way in. So now we have some space. Feel free to take a look around at some of our private collections of the bar itself. Also, ladies and gentlemen, this way, I'm giving you hints. You can take them for what they are. Also, there's a little Walkman right there. If you
Where's the Sony Walkman?
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy. You're now standing in my private office.
I know.
Right.
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. And after that, let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was a big motivation for me to escape. I go, ow! Ow! That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Speak.
Oh. I'm gonna take this.
Ooh, we took the Walkman. Thank you very much, fellow Terry. Now please head down the corner.
Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Matthew.
I have to admit, it's really good.
I was crying. It was so good. What was the song that we got?
Born to be Wild by Steppenwolf.
Oh. And we stood in line. We got in line at 7 o'clock, 7:30.
Well, the park opened at 8, so I mean, technically we were in line at 7:30, but
yeah,
8 to 11.
roughly, because that's about from the time we got in line to the time we got off the ride. So we have a fast pass at 10:30. It's currently 11 o'clock right now, and we're gonna go on it again. Were you able to get another set of fast passes?
Yeah.
Ooh, and we have fast passes between 7:50 and 8:50, right?
Something like that. Yeah.
So, like 8 to 9. We'll just say 8 to 9. So, I'm excited. All right, we're currently in the fast pass line to use our fast pass, and it's gonna probably be a good half an hour as well. So, but that's okay. Yep, we stood in that. Wasn't that bad. Could be worse.
For you. I now present to you Tannelia Tavon's private office.
Wow, thank you. Come on into the collection private office for best viewing of all the collections. Oh man,
reflection of sorts. What do you guys see? I see Harold, I see an octopus, I see many butterflies. This seems to be our stop. Maybe we can ask for the back road.
I think we've had a good day so far. Our second ride on Mission Space. Mission Breakout.
Mission Space, we're back in Florida.
That's not what I meant. I meant Mission Breakout. Our second ride on Mission Breakout, we had Jackson 5. And I think I like the first one the best so far. I hope we get a different one tonight. We have our fast passes for 7:55 to 8:55. Wow, look at that bad boy. This guy looks like David Bowie. Oh look, I didn't see that gnome earlier. Saw the gold gnome, but not this one.
Raise your hands now for security bioscan. Complete. Once in the system, your hand scan will give you clearance and the doors will open toward you. Please stand by.
It's just amazing, and I'm sure we'll be back, so, or else we'd get in line for the next one. We'll be back. We've had a long day here, so I can't wait. I'm so excited. You guys need to ride it. You guys need to make a trip to Disneyland just for this. So, actually, it's California.